What's up guys, it's 2022 and it's about time we get back in the gym. So I started back the gym. I'm focusing mostly on cardio because I want to like get myself into the routine. It's been going really well for me. I'm gonna continue to go. I actually go when I want, and when I don't want to go, I don't go. I have no trainer, so I'm training myself, and the fun part about training yourself is that you do what you want, when you want, and as much reps as you want. So we are now going to Navy Beach. It used to be, I think it was Fat Turtle or Fat Tony's, I can't remember, something like that. It is located at Isle de Sol. I don't know if I pronounced it properly, but we're gonna go over there. We're gonna have a little snack, a drink. The name is now Navy Beach. It's right where all the yachts are parked, and we're gonna meet my friend Cynthia and yeah, have a good time. So let's go. Basically, to go to Navy Beach, because it's by all the yachts, you have to pass security and you need to leave your ID most of the times. Well, I think all the time. I always have to leave my ID, and they give you a pass to go in. So I'm gonna show you guys. Navy Beach has a really nice pool. We decided to come back home because our pool at home is also nice. I mean, I'm trying to start to appreciate the things that are here with me, and we actually had a good time at the pool here in La Terrace. That's chiquitín. Although I started the gym, we did order some Domino's.
This night means forever, and so does me and you.
For dinner, so we kind of order Domino's about once a week. We order a Dominator and we just enjoy the shit out of it. So yep, and basically that was our day for today. And then on the weekend I actually went to a barbecue by my brother Kikilo, and this is the barbecue. I'll show you right now.
But we were just innocent until something better came along. until something better came along.
Time for bed. So good night and see you at the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe.